the one who defended PNP, that the PNP got the biggest budget, no, for equipment. Dati nga, wala kayong air unit. That time, Mr. Chair, we gave 5 choppers that time kasi nga sa mamasa pa, no, nangihiram kayo sa AFP, hindi na natin gusto yun. So now, we have your own choppers. Bago na yung mga maritime vessels natin na dati hindi makahabol sa mga Abu Sayyaf. Ngayon po, you have brick boats. The last time that the PNP got, meron tayong, yung huling helicopter niya yata was 2006 pa. Diba? Noong lumilipad. Yung brand used. Yung binenta na brand used pero ginawang brand new. Diba? Kaya hindi na nagamit. Nagkakaso. Kaya brand used. But we gave new choppers, new equipment, everything. Ang sa akin lang, Mr. Chair, and then during the time of President Duterte, the salaries of the PNP was raised significantly. Kaya lang, nakakalungkot na ang maraming ano, I think the Chief PNP has a lot of things to do. Ang daming investigation, no? As mentioned by Senator Bato earlier dito, na police involved in drugs, in other crimes. So nakakalungkot kasi kami, we don't mind funding the PNP, kaya lang, ba't nagkakaroon pa rin ng mga ganitong incident? Recently, I talked to Secretary Abalos about this, yung po sa Mabini, Batangas, no? The mayor there was arrested and was detained for, I think 68 days, if I'm not mistaken, in Krame. Well, ano pong charges doon? Siguro, quickly lang po. Bakit po siya nakulong? Ngayon po, nakawala na siya. No? Pinakawala na. But 68 days. And I have videos, no? Showing, Mr. Chair, if I'll be allowed. Ito po, yung mga arresting team, lahat po sila nakatakip po ang, pakiplay po yung video. Lahat po sila nakatakip ang mga mukha, pati pangalan. I would like to know. Ayan.
Sana naman wala, ha?
Ito yung mayor.
Parehas naman tayo.
Wala mayor, konti lang. Wag na.
Pinag-aalala ko kung may nakatanim na doon sa kapatid ko, may nagtanim na rin dito sa akin.
Walang mayor po, walang.
Ha? Sana naman wala naman sanang gayunan. Ha? Ganun nyo, kung kayo yung mga nagtanim sa amin, ipakukulong nyo kami ng walang kasalanan. Huwag naman sana, sir, ha? Ano yung nakatanim dyan? Granada? Ha? Ha? Granada?
Yan po, Mr. Chair, yung Granada nasa ulo.
Ay, hindi pa sa akin, Granada rin ang ilalagay. Paregal, walang piyansa. Gano'n naman yung gagawin mo sa akin? Sana na may huwag, ha? Wala kayong makikita sa akin. Dahil matagal na alam ko na may magpapasearch sa akin. Tsaka unang-una kahit wala pa noon, ha? Wala kayong makukuha sa akin iligan. Ha? Wala.
Mayor, po ka lang din.
Ano ba? Huwag naman sanang gayon ang mangyari.
Okay, siguro kata natin. From what I know, information, the reason why the mayor was arrested because of private armed groups, yung PAGs, no? Intel report, may PAGs. Pero as you can see, doon po, talagang parang ni walang armado, ni walang bodyguard, walang resistance, nakita niya may itsura ng bahay. Diba? So, I think, although we fund the PNP, we deserve an explanation of these things. We do not want a culture of impunity to continue. Ganun na nga nung past administration ang image. So, I guess we have to change that.
Your permission, Vice Chair JV, I just want to acknowledge also one of the Vice Chair, Senator Francis Tolentino, our Blue Ribbon and Justice Chair. Morning, sir. Thank you, Sanjay.
Sige, si Pepe, can you answer? O siguro si IDG bang nag-ano yan? Sino bang unit ang nag-lead?
Yes, sir. The units that operated on this particular operation are the detectives of CIDG, RFU, and CR, together with the Pro 4A element and staff by virtue of search warrant number 23-442, sir, for violation of RA 9516. The search warrant was issued by the RTC, sir. We have with us the director of CIDG, sir. Andito po.
Yes, sa akin yan, no? Where's the director of CIDG? Can he answer this? Kasi doon pa lang, Mr. Chair, yung pag-arresting unit, lahat nakatakip ang muka, pati mga plates, mga nameplates. Bawta na. Pero, siguro, si PNP, ikaw na lang, okay lang.
Anyway, sir, we will continue into this, sir. The CIDG director is at the holding room. Papunta po rin sila, sir.
Also, ang ano doon, ang kinaso sa kanya, violation of RA 10591, otherwise known as the Comprehensive Firearms and Ammunitions Regulation Act. No? Kasi tapos nga, yung reported presence of private armed groups. Batangas po ito, PNP. Kung sa Mindanao po ito, pwede. Pero kung this happened, Batangas, Cavite, wala nang ganito ngayon. In this day and age, Mr. Chair, of social media, matakot lang na mga yan, makasuhan. And I was also given information, natakot po sila. After the arrest of Mayor Villegas of Mabini, Batangas, a PNP officer talked to the mayors of Batangas sa isang meeting ng league. Sinabi, may susunod pa kami sa inyo. Yung mga mayor doon, Mr. Chair, tuwing Thursday, umaalis na po sila. Ayaw nilang nasa bahay kasi daw baka mangyari din sa kanila. So, bakit nagkaganon? We are supposed to be here, the PNP, to serve and protect. Hindi tayo dapat we do not wish to promote a culture of impunity.
Yes, sir. If I may, sir, talagang as the Chief PNP, sir, if dun sa 5 focus agenda ko, one is aggressive and honest law enforcement operation. While we want it aggressive, we want also honestly done, because that is one way of getting the trust and confidence of the public, sir. So,
Kaya lang, yung manner kasi, Chief PNP, Mr. Chair, consume na ako ng 10 minutes, but I have to, before we leave this, yun na, yung pag-apply po ng search warrant, no? Medyo may, it was applied in Antipolo. No, bakit sa Antipolo RTC nyo in-apply, yung pinanggaling, yung saan po ginawa? Sa Mabini, Batangas yung arrest, di ba? So, tapos yung picture that was sent for the application of search warrant was not even the mayor's picture. It was his brother. No? Nakita namin yon, kapatid niya, picture. I think yung mga brothers niya may mga issues, pero ganun, di ba? Doon pa lang, technically, meron na tayong violation doon. Hindi naman siguro pwedeng sabihin ng kasalanan ng isang miyembro pamilya, kasalanan din niya. Di ba? Doon po yung can you confirm this na yung application, Chief NP? Wala pa ba yung CIDG yet? General Karamat, can you answer this? Kayo po ang CIDG ang nag-lead, no? No operation na ito, yung...
Good morning, Your Honor, sir. Yes, sir, that's correct. Before that operation, pinaalam nila po yun sa akin and I give the approval based doon sa information that was given to me. And accordingly, these brothers, marami silang mga dero, including, kung matatandaan nyo, sir, one of the suspect, yung kapatid nila is a former police officer who was dismissed from the police service. And the other one was ABC president, maraming complaint. And these brothers are nabalidate ng Regional 4A na parang mapapasok na sila, sir, sa PAGS. That's the reason why I give the approval na to conduct, to apply search warrant to those suspect, sir. Regarding doon, sir, sa sinabi nyo kanina, na may mga mayors na natatakot, well, ang masasabi ko lang, the PNP enforces the law without fear or favor. Kung hindi nagtatago ng PAGS o hindi nagmimintin ng PAGS itong mga mayor na ito, wala po silang dapat katakutan po, sir. So,
Pero General, sorry to
Yes,
cut
sir.
you, no? Sabi ko nga kay Secretary Abalos noon, General Lacorda, if this happened 20 years ago, believable sa Batangas, Cavite, wala nang ganyan ngayon. I don't think there is still a lot presence of private armed groups in the area. Kung siguro sa Mindanao, ngayon pwede ako maniwala. Pero ngayon sa Batangas, Calabarzon, wala na tayong naririnig na ganyan. And I had the chance to meet pa isa-isa yung mga nagsusolicit sa amin na project ng mga mayor. Hindi isa-isa ko. Naniniwala ba kayo sa nangyari? Walang naniniwala eh. Natakot nga sila. In fact, Thursday pa lang, karamihan sa mayors umaalis na ng bahay nila dahil ayaw nila mangyari. Yung nangyari kay Mayor Villanueva. Can you answer this? Hindi kayo na General Karamat. As I mentioned,
Yes.
I'm one of the biggest supporters of Kabir. Alam niyo yan, na pinakamalaking budget ng time na ako nag-defend nito.
Yes,
Ito
sir.
lang, you have to justify your actions. Hindi pwedeng culture of impunity would remain.
Yes, sir. Regarding doon po, sir, sa information na kumakalat na mayroon pong susunod na mayor, sir, actually, sir, wala pong ganon, sir.
Pero yun po, nanggaling sa mga mayors eh. One of the
I don't know
officers,
where that
sinabi
information
po nila.
came from.
Sinabi po niya, susunod pa namin 7 sa inyo. Kaya nga takot-takot, walang umuwi sa mga yun.
Sir,
Bigay ko na nga, papakita ko lang, Mr. Chair. Ito pong application for search warrant, may baril pa kay Mayor, pero hindi po siya ito. Kapatid daw niya ito. So doon pa lang, nagkamali, tapos antipolo nyo pa in-apply. Ba? Bakit hindi doon sa place of where the incident happened o yung supposed to be raid sa Batangas? Bakit sa antipolo kailangan mag-apply?
yes, sir. For the purpose of secrecy, sir, so that our operations will not be burned out. I think there's nothing wrong with that, sir. And regarding those sa mga 7 mayors na susunod daw na i-applyan, sir, as the CIDG director, sir, I can assure you that
Get your assurance. Can we get your
Yes, sir.
assurance na wala
Yes,
na
sir.
mangyayari ganyan?
yes, sir, unless that in the future they will not commit any mistake, sir, or any violation, sir.
General Karamat, again, if this happened 10, 20 years ago, maniniwala ako eh. In this day and age of social media, takot na lahat sa kaso, takot na lahat sa mailabas. Lalo na in Calabarzon, napakalapit sa Metro Manila. I'm sure our chair and Senator Gatchalian here would agree. No? Wala nang gagawa ng ganyan. This day and age, kasi ang pinakahuling ayaw natin na magamit ang PNP for political vendetta. Nangyari na sa akin yan nung last year's hearing. Di ba? Andito ba si Colonel Santos? Diba? Nung wala ako sa pwesto, pahuhuli pa ako. Ang inuli niya, si biggest accomplishment niya kay Mayor Sabora, pinahuli yung mga nagkakape. During the time of pandemic, huwag naman sana maulit yung ganyan. That, again, we are already in the process of PNP reorganization na dapat yung PNP will be apolitical. So ito, parang merong shade ng politika ito, siguro. Diba?
Thank you, sir. As I said before, sir, we just base our operations based on the validations that these suspects are included in the potential PAGS watch list, sir. But for any other reasons like politics, I don't know these people, sir. So I can assure you, sir, that
Also, I don't know, for the
Yes,
record,
sir.
Mr. Chair, I don't even know Mayor Villanueva. Hindi ko kilala yan. Sa Mabini, hindi nga ako nanalo dun eh. Di ba? And tinignan ko yung top 12, ay wala ako. Pero I'm just doing this for
Nanalo ka na ngayon, Sen. JB.
siguro.
Dahil dito sa issue na.
Hindi, I'm just saying that, we do not want this to happen. Kasi nga, wag naman sanang gamitin ito sa... Tapos yung pong yung tanong